Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
So in the
Good
last
morning,
class,
ma'am.
we are discussing about
Good morning,
probability. Yes, good morning. Good morning, Adil. In the last class, we are discussing about probability, isn't it? So in probability, what is the formula we learned? Probability of an event is given by two formulas we have learned. Theoretical probability means number of possible outcomes by total number of outcomes, isn't it? If it is an experimental probability, we write number of trials in which the event had happened by total number of trials. Okay. And we are discussing about various situations. Okay. In the beginning, we discussed about coin, tossing of coin. Then we discussed about dice. Sorry, not dice. Dice we have not just only started. Earlier to that, we discussed about a deck of cards. A deck of cards means total number of cards are 52. Okay, then we discussed about throwing of dice. I think one die we completed. Is that no? We have to start with 2 dice. Okay, write the heading. Write today's date and start. When we throw 2 dice. When we throw 2 dice. When we throw 2 dice. When you throw 2 dice, how many outcomes will be there? One die, if we throw, what is the total outcome? When we throw 6 outcome. So when we try, when we use 2 dice, it is 6 square, which is 36. Either we can say 2 dice or 1 die is thrown 2 times. Both are equivalent. Okay. We can throw 2 dice together or 1 die is thrown twice. In both the cases, the outcome is same. Total number of outcome is 36. Total number of outcome is 36. Now we are going to write all possible outcomes. So what are the possible outcomes? So when you throw dice, the possible outcomes are, it is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. So the first die may show 1, second die will be showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, okay, first die may show 1, second die will be showing 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then 3, 1. What are the possible outcomes? 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Similarly, if you start with 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Again 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. These are the possible outcomes. Okay, total outcomes are 36. And what are the possible outcomes? When we toss 2 coins, the possible outcomes are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Like that, we will get 6 by 6 outcomes. 36 outcomes we will get. Okay. Now listen, from this table only we are going to answer. Okay, I'm going to ask few questions. Are you ready? Yes. The 2 dice are thrown. Okay, total outcome is 36. Okay. What is meant by doublet?
Yeah, we should write that.
Yes, we have tried it.
Not finished.
Hmm.
Can you show the screen again?
Okay. Once you finish it, tell me, okay? You have to do little bit fast, okay? That's calculation, everything, speed we have to develop. Then only you'll be able to complete 40 questions within the given time. Finished? Okay. Now listen, children. Listen. Now listen. The first question is, what is the probability of getting a doublet? What is meant by doublet? Probability of getting a doublet. What is meant by doublet? Doublet means getting the same numbers, isn't it? 1, 1, like this. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So it will be coming along the diagonal. Okay, you'll be getting a shape. Look at here. It will be like a square, isn't it? So you'll be coming along the diagonal. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. If you understand this square, okay, this 6 by 6, 36 square, if you understand it properly, you can answer such questions easily. You'll be getting a square, 6 by 6 square, isn't it? Now look at here. Okay, so this is the main diagonal. So there are 36 outcomes are there. So what is the probability of getting doublet? Probability of getting a doublet is 6 by 36, which is 1 by 6. Now, second one, what is the probability of getting first die? Probability of getting a first die showing a number greater than the second die. First die showing a number greater than the second die. First die should show a number which is greater than the second die. What is the answer?
30 by 36.
What is the answer? Repeat it once again.
30 by 36.
13 by 36. Look at your children. Listen, all of you. Listen, children. So first die, we want a number which is greater than the second die, isn't it? Look at here, only in this part you will get. Okay, so that is, look at here, below this diagonal. If you take this, below this diagonal, you'll get like this. In this case, only you'll get like this. Okay, the first die will be showing a number greater than the second die. Here, in the middle, we have the first die and second die showing the same numbers. Okay, here below this diagonal, if you look at here, you can see that the first die will be showing a number which is greater than the second die. Likewise, if you take this side, look at here. Here you will be getting a, okay, you will be getting the possibilities where first die will be showing a number which is smaller than the second one. Okay, so here the question is probability of first die showing a number which is greater than the second die. So what are the possibilities here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is it 14? Is it 13 or 14? Yes, it is 14 by 36. It is 14 by 36. Same way, probability of first die showing a number, less than the second die. Probability of first die showing a number less than the second die. What will be the answer? It will be 14 by 36. Is it correct? Is it okay, Aman? Aman, are you able to follow this? Aman, Shakir,
Yes, ma'am.
Fia? Is it okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Johan? Okay, these are all easy questions, important questions, which we are discussing are all important questions. Okay, now answer this question, fourth one. What is the probability of getting a number? Okay, where the number, okay, what is the probability of getting the number on the first die less than or equal to number on the second die? Number on the first die is less than or equal to number on the second die. Less than is also allowed, equal is also allowed. So it will be the answer. Probability of showing a number on the first die less than or equal to number on the second die. What is the answer, Johan? First die must be less than. In number in the first die must be less than or equal to number in the second die. Less than is allowed and equal to is also allowed.
I mean, 20.
Yes. Okay. You can take the elements along the diagonals also. Yes or no? You can take the elements along the diagonals. If you take the elements in the diagonals, they are equal, isn't it? Here the first entry is equal to the second entry. So we will get all these elements along with this first part. So we'll get 20 by 36. It will be 20 by 36.
Probability first die showing greater number than second die 15 by 36.
How? Can you tell me which are the possible cases you will get?
I counted it.
Ma'am.
Is it 15? 1. Okay. 1 will you be getting first die showing the greater than. So 1. Okay, I'll write it here with red 1. 2. You check it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, I think here we missed this 4, 3. Which is 15. Yes, correct. Very good, Aditya. Just 15. What about the second case?
15 also.
Here also will get 15. Now look at the next case then. What about the next, this case?
20.
21 by 36. Okay. 21 by 36. See, for the exam, you have to write it in the simplest form. For the exam, you have to write it in the simplest form. Children, please note it down. You can count and write. Count it properly. Okay, don't draw a very small square. You write it somewhat neat so that you can understand it easily. 15. Okay, same way for the second case also you'll get like this. It is 15 by 36. Is it okay up to this? Fia? Rifa?
Yes, ma'am.
Hadidi? Is it clear? Count and write
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Now, shall I give the next set of questions? Write the next one, answer these questions. Write the next set of questions. Okay, you copied up to this fourth one. Is that no? Now, write the next one. Fifth one, probability of getting. Probability of getting. What is the probability of getting? Yes? Huh? Yes?
Next question only.
Not next question. From this one, we are writing what are the possibilities, what are the different questions may ask. Okay, that is also a next question. Okay, okay, we are just writing what all the possibilities will be asked from a throw of 2 dice. What are the different questions? Okay. What is the probability that 5 will come up at least once? 5 will come up at least once. At least once. Sixth one, probability that 5 will not come up. 5 will not come up either time. 5 will not come up either time. What is the answer? Count and tell me the answer. First one, probability of 5 will come up at least once. Second one is 5 will not come up either time. Yes?
11 by 36.
Yes, can you repeat it? It's louder, Adi.
Is it 11 by 36?
11 by 36. Others, please check it. Is it 11 by 36? 5 will come up at least once. Have you got that answer, Adi? Can you explain?
I just count the
Count it.
5.
5 will come up at least once means once is also allowed, 2 times also it is allowed, isn't it? So, what are the possibilities? 5 will come up means 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 times also allowed, isn't it? 5, 6. Then here 7, 8, 9, 10. This one already we have taken. So it is 11. John, is it correct, John? Is it 11 by 36?
Yes, ma'am.
Now answer the second one, sixth one.
25 by 36.
25 by 36.
Is it correct, Meghna? Is it correct, Meghna?
Yes, ma'am.
What she said, Meghna? I can't hear it clearly. Meghna, what you said? What you are saying there? Is it correct, Meghna? 25. You check it. Do it and check the answer and give me the reply. Yesterday, I have sent few questions as homework from the NCERT textbook, 15.1. How many of you solved that questions? All those questions which I have sent are 1 mark questions. Is it correct? Okay. Is it correct, Haya? Haya? Rose? Children, if you give a reply only, I'll be able to understand whether you are following it
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not. Although I call few names, write the next one. Before writing the next one, okay, I'm going to redraw the table again because we want to, the next type, again, the same case only you are going to consider because two dice, when you throw through two dice, what are the possible outcomes? So when we throw two dice, the outcomes are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. In 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Now listen, children. Please listen all of you. Here, suppose we are asked to find the sum. Okay, suppose the question is find the sum. Okay, so now look at here. If I take this along this line, if you take these two elements, look at here, the sum will be 2. Sum of the numbers appearing on the die will be 2. Okay, if you take along this, what is the sum? Is the sum is 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay, again, if you take these elements, you'll get sum will be 4. If you take these cases, you'll get sum is 5. And if you take this elements along this, sum will be 6. And here, sum is 7. If you add the numbers, you'll get sum is 7. Now look at the next case again here. Sum is 8. If you take this, sum is 9. Here, sum is 10. If you add along this, sum is 11. Sum is 12. Okay. If you know this concept, we can answer the remaining questions easily. What is the probability of getting sum 5? What is the answer? What is the probability of getting sum 5? Aman, can you give the answer? Probability of getting sum 5.
1 by 12.
1 by 12. So without simplifying, can you give the answer so that they can also understand? Is it 1 by 12, sum 4? 1 by 12 means? Yes, your answer is correct. Okay. Answer is correct. Probably. Yes, probability of sum 4. Sum 4, is it 4? How many times, how many possibilities are there? This is the column where you will get sum 4, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. So it will be the answer. Yeah, it is 3 by 36. Yes, Saman, it is 1 by 12. What is the probability of getting sum 12? What is the probability of getting sum 12? Nirupama. Yes, it is 1 by 36. What is the probability of getting sum 7? Hein, Steve.
1 by 36.
1 by 36. That is same as 1 by
36 only.
sum is 7. Sum is 7. How many times you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that no? So it will be 6 by
36.
36. So what is the probability of getting sum 10? Sum 10. Sum is 10. Sum 10 is
3 by 36.
3 by 36. 3 by 36. Okay. Now, what is the probability of getting sum as even number? Sum as even number. Answer this one. What is the probability of getting sum as even number? Should get the sum as even number.
by 36.
18 by 36. Others check it, children. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Sum as even number means 2 may come, 4 may come, 6, 8. Sorry. Is it clear, children? Board, is it okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All the cases you can add up and you can write. Okay. Now, what is the, 1 second, I think. What is the probability of getting sum as a multiple of 5? Sum is a multiple of 5. What will be the answer? When you throw 2 dice, what is the probability of getting the sum as a multiple of 5? Multiple of 5 means only 2 cases you have to consider here, isn't it? Which are the 2 cases? 5 and 10. So what is the answer? Hadi Amin, is it okay? Hadi Amin?
Yes, ma'am.
Afsana, is it clear? Afsana?
7.
7 by 36. Check it, children. Is it 5? 5 means how many times you will get? 4, isn't it? And 10 means you are getting 3 times. So 4 plus 3. Now look at the next one. Probability of getting sum is 6 or 7. Sum is 6 or 7. So sum 6 is also allowed. Sum 7 is also allowed. That means both the cases we can count and write. Is that no? Sum is 6 or 7. 6 is also allowed. 7 is also allowed. Sum is 6 or 7.
11 by 36.
11 by 36. Okay, sum is 6 or sum is 7. So both the cases, if you add, you'll get the answer. So it is 11 by 36. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Is it okay? Shall we move on to the next type? So each one by one we have, okay, first we discussed about coin, next about deck of cards, next we have discussed about dice. Okay, now listen to my question. When you throw 3 dice, what are the possible outcomes? What is the total number of outcomes? When you throw 3 dice, what is the total number of outcomes? When you throw 3 dice, what is the total number of outcomes?
69.
When you throw 3 dice, 1 die means what is the answer we wrote? Is it 6 raised to 1? 2 dice means it is 6 square. So for 3 dice, how many outcomes will be there?
6 cube.
6 cube. Okay, 6 raised to 3. 6 raised to 3. 6 raised to 3 is 216. Can simplify. Okay, simplification you can do it. Simplify it and you can do it. Okay, when for the exam you write simplified form, look at the option and accordingly you have to select it. Okay, sometimes it will be given in 36 itself, sometimes it will be converted to lowest form and you have to write. Okay, now the next type we are going to learn is, okay, some situational questions, some applications of this probability. Okay, write the question. Write the question. Ten defective pens were mixed with 10 defective pens were mixed with 132 good pens. 10 defective pens were mixed with 132 good ones. Ten defective pens were mixed with 132 good pens. One pen is taken out at random. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. One pen is taken out random from this lot. Determine the probability. Determine the probability. The pen taken out is. Determine the probability. The pen taken out is. First one, defective. Second one, not defective. First one defective, second one not defective. Okay, it is given that 10 defective pens were mixed with 132 good pens. And we are taking one pen. What is the probability that it is a defective one? Second one, which is not defective. What will be the answer? What is the probability of getting a defective?
10 by 132.
10 by
132
1.
is wrong. Why? What is the answer? What will be the answer?
10 by 140.
10 by S Hadi Amin. It is 10 by 142. Why 142? Yes. When you add these two numbers only, you will get the total number of pens. Okay. 10 pens, 10 defective pens were mixed with 132 good pens. So it will be the total number of pen. Total number of pens will be 132 plus 10, which is equivalent to 142. Okay, so answer is 10 by 142. Okay, what is the probability of selecting a non-defective one? What is the probability of getting a non-defective one?
42 by 10.
Yes?
142 by 10.
How? How many good pens are there?
132 by 142.
132. Yes, 132 by 142. Total is 142. How many are good pens? Non-defective means it is good pens. How many good pens are there? 132 pens. So 132 by 142. So answer is 132 by 142. Okay. Is it clear? Is it okay? Now look at the next question. The next one. Okay, once okay, it will be asked for case study question. You have to answer that question. Okay, look at this. Sorry, by mistake, it is the 9th standard. Okay. Okay, children. I'll give the another question. That one is it's not there. Okay, you can discuss it in the next period. Next, okay. It's a big lengthy question. It's a case study question. Now write the next one. Write the next one. A pack of 20 bulbs. A pack of 20 bulbs contains. A pack of 20 bulbs contains 4 defective bulbs. A pack of 20 bulbs contains 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random. One bulb is drawn at random. One bulb is drawn at random. What is the probability? What is the probability? The selected bulb is defective. What is the probability that the selected bulb is defective? What is the probability that the selected bulb is defective? A pack of 20 bulbs contains 4 defective ones, isn't it? A pack of 20 bulbs contains 4 defective ones and one bulb is selected at random. And what is the probability the selected one is defective? What will be the answer?
4 by 10.
How many bulbs are there? Total there are 20 bulbs. Yes. No fear, it is defective. Read the question again. There are 20 bulbs. Okay, if you take a pack, there are 20 bulbs in which 4 are defective. The question is probability of getting a defective bulb. So the answer is 4 by 20. 4 by 20. Okay, I think we can continue with this. See, next period we will be discussing about the case study questions and all. Case study questions. Okay. Answer your attendance. Answer your attendance.